Hey students, welcome to your English class. இது உங்களோட English class. Today we are going to see the next unit in phonics. In unit 2 we see 7 sounds. Shall we see the first sound? What are the letters here? Here there are two letters CK but in one sound. The sound of the letter is K. Can you repeat after me? K. K. The action of the sound is, students, now click your fingers above your heads and saying K. K. உங்களோட கையை தலைக்கு மேலே தூக்கிட்டு நீங்கள் இப்போ K. K அப்படின்னு சொல்லுங்க. The sound K in the words as back, ache, neck, tick, click, jack, block. Next, let's move on to the blending. Say the sounds, blend the sounds and read the word. First word p, a, pa, k, pack. Second word p, e, p, k, pick. Third word t, e, t, k, tick. Next s, t, e, stick, stick. Have you repeated after me? என்னோட சேர்ந்து சொன்னீங்களா? Now it's your turn and say the words. Write these words in your note and practice regularly. I will see you in the next class. Thank you. Bye bye.